In this video you'll be shown how to change the hub motor cable to your Crazy Cart Shift. You will need 3 Allen keys, 6mm, a 5mm and 4mm. Using the 6mm you'll need to unscrew the bolt on the centre of the steering wheel shown here. Do not remove the steering wheel, you just need to be able to get access to the battery compartment. Using the 4mm, unscrew the bolt to the battery compartment shown here. Lift the steering wheel and open the lid to the battery compartment. Using the 5mm, unscrew the bolt to the battery bar shown here. Disconnect the battery. Then remove both batteries. Next, unscrew the 2 screws shown here and then another one here. Pull the controller box to give you access to the hub motor cable connector, shown here. Disconnect and unclip. Now remove the steering wheel and remove the 2 screws shown here and then the 2 at the bottom. Slide out the switch compartment until loose. You will need to cut a zip tie which secures the cable to the switch compartment shown here. Using 38mm headset spanners, loosen and remove. First the top nut, then the washer, the upper race, and finally the bearing. Flip your car over and using the 4mm, lift the wheel out and remove the screw as shown here. Remove the P-clip and keep safe. The wire then unclips as shown. Pull the cable through the hole from where it's coming from. With your new cable, feed it back through the hole and reconnect to the wheel as shown. Push back into the clip and reattach the P-clip onto the metal part of the cable and secure with a screw. It is important to remember the way the headset came off and you must put it back in the right order to ensure it's secure. First, place the bearing, then the upper race, then the washer, and finally the top nut. Using the 38mm headset spanners, tighten as shown. To reassemble your cable it must be at the shortest point, therefore turn the headset clockwise all the way as shown. Reattach the switch compartment with the 4 screws as shown. Then secure the cable with the zip tie. Insert the new connectors into the white clip as shown. Slip the cable back into its clip and attach the P-clip. Secure the P-clip and the 2 screws to the controller, making sure all cables are neat. Insert the batteries and reconnect. Then screw in the battery bar. Test that your car is working by first turning the wheel so it's straight. Switch on and test. Insert your steering wheel, lift and close the battery lid. Secure with all the screws. You have now replaced your Crazy Kart Shift hub motor cable.